Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, we are doing this beautiful messy bun. It's super quick and easy. It's a very easy method that I've used to do this bun, so do stay tuned. First things first, you wanna go ahead and blow dry your hair and then tie your hair into an updo, exactly as I am doing. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and take your Dark and Lovely styling gel and then apply it on your hair. You just take a generous amount and then apply it on your hair. This is my current favorite styling gel. It smells so good and it holds my hair so nicely. So I love this styling gel. After applying my styling gel, I saw that the bun was loose, the way I've tied it, so I had to tighten it some more. And then you go ahead and take your comb to rearrange your hair, and then pull out hairs to do your edges. Then you apply more styling gel and then do your edges exactly as I am doing. And then to make your styling gel application more neater, you want to go ahead and take your brush and rearrange your hair, make it look more neater. And then you want to go ahead and take your hair dryer to dry the styling gel using a very hot heat. And then you want to go ahead and braid your hair. And then after braiding it, you want to go ahead and roll it and tie it nicely so that it gets out of the way. And then you want to go ahead and take your Ella Deep Wave. This is synthetic hair, but it doesn't look like synthetic hair because it's not too shiny. You can take any short curls you have. I prefer like thick curls for this type of messy bun. And then you want to go ahead and roll it around your bun exactly as I am doing. You roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Because I love myself some volume, I went ahead and took the second bundle and did the very same thing. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and fluff the curls out exactly as I am doing. Don't do it too much because we still need the curls. And then after so doing, you want to go ahead and start pulling out hairs, starting to do the messy bun. It is easy to roll these curls around because they are very short, they are not long, so you just roll them easily and arranging them nicely, and then using your bobby pins to secure them. You do that. It's very easy, super easy, very easy. Like as I'm saying, it's very easy. You see, that was quick. I did it quick fast, and then I took my bobby pins to secure it, so that it stays in the position that I have positioned as. Guys, please don't forget to like my video, comment and share, and do let me know what you guys think of this hair tutorial down the comment section. Yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. This is how it looks when it is done. I absolutely love this messy bun. It is so very demure, very cutesy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. I love you so much. God bless you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed.